good as I do. You went out on another day. He was handsome and charmed, I'm sure, but you didn't hesitate when you ran for the door, 'cause you know it's true. No one else could love you half as good as I do. I do, yes I do. No reason to fight it, no reason to say we're through, no need to deny it, 'cause I'm not over you. It ain't been decided. You can't make a choice for two. My heart ain't been lying. No, I'm not over you, 'cause I know it's true. No one else could love me half as good as you. Now what do I do? What do I do? I'm passing our coffee shop. You're still tucked in our favorite booth. No, I didn't wanna stop, but it's a table for two. We both know it's true. No one else could love me half as good as you. No one else could love you half as good as I do. No one else could love each other half as good as one another. No one else could love